Hey guys, this is Luis with Front End Solutions again, and today we're going to Wylie. It's about an hour away, and it's been raining like every day. So hopefully we don't get rain. We're gonna go right now, and we're gonna do some graphics on the truck. It's pretty cool business that they're starting. So I'll show you when we get there. I'll show you how we're gonna do this installation, and I'll tell you about this business that they're starting. It's pretty cool. I got my supplies, my tools, and we got the vinyl ready here. So we're gonna head that way. So we're here, we're in Wylie now, and this is the truck that I was talking about. So you see this? It has this roll here. And what they do with this is they put it inside the dumpsters at the construction sites, and they crush everything inside. So if you have your dumpster already filling all the way to the top, they come in, they crush everything, and you can put more stuff into the container, so you save a lot of time and money crushing all that stuff. So that's what they do. We're gonna put some graphics here, and on that arm there, we're gonna put some graphics on the arm. We're gonna put some graphics here and on the door. So stick around, we're gonna work on that right now, and we'll show you how it turns out. Okay, this is the back of the truck. Pretty amazing. Okay, so now we have it all aligned. We're gonna start putting it on the truck, and we should be done in a little bit. Well, that was a big sign. I think the other side of the truck, I'm gonna do something different. I think we can do it easier. All right, guys, we're done. Here's the truck finished. The customer is gonna take the truck right now. He really liked it, so I'll take some photos for you so you can see how it turned out.